Hey everyone, this is John Pearson from Parallax team with a quick video showing a solution to something that came up on Twitter. So specifically, a guy named Ryan Cameron asked if it is possible, and I'll open the tweet. It is possible whenever you save your Revit file to have your Dynamo file save as well. Reason being, sometimes you go to do something in Revit and you forget to save Dynamo and you could lose stuff potentially. So the good news is that is possible thanks to the Dynamo API as well. I also want to give a shout out to designtech.io. So DesignTech, these guys have a magnificent Dynamo package. So DesignTech with a whole bunch of functionality for querying a workspace, a Dynamo workspace for some data. So that's kind of what told me this is possible as well. So shout out to those guys. They're definitely the first one I've seen deal with the Revit or the Dynamo graph in the way that they have. So what we could do is we can actually make a few changes to our Revit model. That way it needs saved. And we'll do some changes to our Dynamo file as well. So I have my Dynamo window right here, my Revit window right here, and my Windows Explorer right here, just to show all of the stuff happening. So we can see that Dynamo needs saved because it has an asterisk. So what we could do is we'll just save in Revit. So we'll see that Revit saved and Dynamo saved as well, according to the timestamp. Additionally, we can see that the asterisk is gone. So if I were to modify the file again, and I'll just hit save in Revit, we'll have another backup file, and everything should, we'll hit save again. Oh, it's still 104. That was too fast. But everything did save, and it's now the most current version. So that's kind of how that works. This is working on something called a saved event. So in Revit, whenever you hit the save button, you can trigger what is called an event and make it do other things. In our case, we're looking for if Dynamo is open, getting the current Dynamo file, and just hitting the save button as well. So that's kind of how that works. It's now a minute later, so let's try that again. And we'll hit save. Now we have 105. There it is. That's kind of a proof of concept that is possible. I'm going to tighten up this code a bit and we'll try to get it out to everyone. Ryan's going to be the guinea pig though. Thanks. Bye.